Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here to do a makeup tutorial for you all. So I am going to do my friend's makeup. It's going to be like a peach pink party makeup. So if you like what you're seeing, so let's begin. The first thing we're going to do is that we're going to apply a nice serum on her face because she has dry skin type. So I'm using the Kiehl's Daily Reviving Concentrate. And before this serum, guys, she's already applied a moisturizer. So after your skin is completely moisturized, the next step is to prime. So for primer, I'm using the Pore Professional Primer by Benefit Cosmetics. So the next thing which I'm going to use is the foundation. So this is the foundation which I'm using. That's the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is in the shade 128. So I'm using this beauty blender. This I've got it from Forever 21. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put a little bit of more foundation under her eyes, but this time I'm going to use my fingertips because I need that intensity. What we need to do is we need to seal the foundation and the concealer. So for that, I'm using a pressed powder by Maybelline. This is very nice, very affordable, guys. Her shade is Shell. We are done with the foundation, we are done with the concealer, we are done with the compact. So now we are going to contour her face. I'm going to do a little bit of contouring because she has an oval face. It needs contouring, otherwise her face is going to look flat. I'm going to use the V-Face Blush Contour Palette by Maybelline. This is a very nice palette as it has a highlighter, a blush and a contour. So I'm going to use this contour shade to contour her face. And the major places where you contour is your forehead, your cheekbones, your nose, of course, your jawline. Can you see a difference now? The next thing after contouring is blush. This is in the shade Fuchsia Flush. It has all the pink shades as we are going for a pink peach look. I'm going to use this palette. With one beauty blender, you can mix your foundation, your concealer, blush, and your compact powder. Put my blushes on the bridge of my nose. I don't know, that's what I do. After the face is complete, the next thing is the eyes. So for her eye makeup, I'm using the Too Faced Peach palette. These are all the shades. And I am going to go with this shade, this shade, this shade, and this shade. So guys, let's start with the eye makeup. I'm going to use this shade just to apply a little bit of base to her eyes. Guys, all the products will be listed down below in the description box, so you don't need to worry about that. Color I'm going to use is this color. This I'm going to apply in the inner corners. I'm going to use this shade. I'm going to use this shade. This shade under the eyebrows. So after the eyeshadow, we are going to apply this super liner, which is by L'Oreal. We have lined her eyes. The next thing which we're going to do is apply a mascara. So this is the mascara we are using. This is by Maybelline. This is the Lash Sensational Mascara. After mascara, I'm going to again blend that pink shade under her eyes as well. Your eyes even look bigger, you need a white kohl. So this is by Makeup Revolution. So after that, we're going to use, guys, I personally don't use eyebrow pencils, so this is the left out mascara which I had. This has almost dried up, so I use this to fill in the brows. So this is one of the technique which you guys can also use if you don't have a eyebrow pencil. time to apply a nice lipstick. So this is the lipstick which I'm going to use. This is by Nykaa. Shade number is 13. I'm going to top this up with the Absolute Plum and Shine lip gloss. Once all your makeup is done, this baby is very important. This is by Makeup Revolution. This is the fixing spray. This is very important if you need to have a long lasting makeup. This is the final makeup look which I've created. So guys, that's it for the makeup, and if you like, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until I meet you next time, bye.